Hey there, I'm Normalweirdoboy and today we are going to learn about the vowel diacritics in Bengali, which are known as mātrā. For the letter O, there is no diacritic as such. So, Ka plus O is just Ka. For A, Ka plus A is Ka. For E or Rasoi, Ka plus Rasoi is Ki. Dirghoi, Ka plus Dirghoi becomes Ki. Rasou, Ka plus Rasou becomes Ku. Dirghou, Ka plus Dirghou becomes Ku. Ri, Ka plus Ri becomes Kri. A, Ka plus A becomes K. Oi, Ka plus Oi becomes Koi. O, that's a diacritic for O. Ka plus O becomes Ko. O, Ka plus O becomes Ko. Chandrabindu. Adding this makes the sound nasal, so Ka becomes Ka. Hasanto. You might have already seen this symbol. So adding this takes away the O sound. Ka becomes K. Ka plus Antastar jaw plus A becomes Ka. It is not Kya or Ksha but Ka. The A sound is as in cat or hat or falcon. It's A. Can also be written as A. Khandato. It gives the T sound. So Ka plus Khandato becomes Kot. Ref. It gives the R sound. For example, in the Bengali word karjo, which means work, karjo. And this ref comes after the whatever vowel follows the consonant. So in the word karjo, it is Ka plus A plus Ra plus jaw, Antastar jaw, plus O, and it becomes Karjo. Karjo. Anusar. It gives the sound. So Ka plus Anusar becomes Kong. Bisargha. It gives the sound. So Ka plus Visargha Ka. rofola. It again gives the raw sound, but here it comes before the vowel. So kho plus rofola, kro. Now let us learn some important conjunct consonants, which are known as juktākkhôr in Bangla. Juktākkhôr. Firstly, kho plus sha, this is mudhanno sha, becomes kha. It is like a hard kha, so kha. Ta plus ra becomes tra. Tra. Now don't confuse it with the A letter. There's a bar over it. Ja plus nya becomes nga. Ka plus ta becomes ta. Ta. Kha plus ra becomes kra. Ta plus ta becomes ta. And don't confuse it with O, because see there's a bar over it, a line over it. Ka plus ja becomes a, ka. For example, in the word sotto, which means truth, it's sotto, sotto. Now that's it for today, and in the next lesson we'll learn some survival phrases that you can use. Have a good day.